Hello beautiful family, welcome to or welcome back to the Queendom. Today's video is just going to be a tutorial of how I achieve this space bun style on my microlocs. I like to do this style on dry or mostly dry locks because it gives me the volume that I'm looking for, and I like my puffs to be kind of big and extra and dramatic, so I think doing it on dry hair gives me those results the best. And so you're just going to separate your hair down the middle. Once you have your hair separated down the middle, you're just going to pretty much form the buns. To form my buns, I'm using cotton hair tie with no metal clip on it so that it doesn't get caught in my locks. And I'm just going to wrap that around one time, and then the second time is when I form the bun. So to form the bun, you don't want to pull your hair all the way through, because I also like when the ends hang through the front of it. It gives it a more messy look, so that's why I do it this way. And then I just play with it until I get it the shape, the size, the form that I like. And I always pull my side pieces out because I just like that look. I feel like it just adds to every single style. So then I'm just going to move to the other side, and I'm doing the same thing on the other side. Make sure that you fluff before you secure it with a hair tie, because we need all the fluffiness we can get. And you want to make sure that when you're doing this that your buns are lined up, because you don't want one in the front and then one in the back. I mean, you could want that, but I prefer them both to be on the same level, and so it looks better and more symmetrical to me. And I just do the same thing, and I always get one bun to look exactly how I want it, and then the other bun is just like, I'm gonna do what I want to do. So this was my I'm gonna do what I want to do bun, but I just played with it until I got it until I got what I wanted with it. And there's really no right or wrong way to do these buns. You can do them as messy or as uniform as you like. I personally like them to be more on the dramatic side, but there is no right or wrong. And these are the finished results. Y'all, I love this style so much. It's so quick, so easy, and I feel like you can really wear this style for a lot of occasions.
Ouch. Blooper.